So the first thing we're gonna do to get going here, we got the back wall already set. It's hard. We're gonna run our level line across so that we can start getting some measurements and then start cutting this bottom row. Once you have a good bottom row and it's set, going up from there should be relatively easy. Everything will be sitting level and therefore continue level. So now that we have our reference line for the grout joint for the top of the tile on the bottom row, we're going to go ahead and measure down from all the points of references that we need. So we're going to need one at the end, obviously. We have a change of plane here. We have a change of plane here as the shower floor starts there. So here I'm just measuring. I'm going to subtract a little bit of play just so I can have a base plate fit underneath the tile. Gives me some wiggle room and ensures that I can get this bottom row perfectly level. Here's the change of plane. So my measurement here is 18.5, so I'm going to go about 18 3/8 heavy. Ideally leaving myself with about a 1/16 of an inch at the bottom for expansion and contraction. So here I got 18.5 inches to my line. So I'm going to take off, you don't want to take off quite an eighth, but you want about a 1/16 of wiggle room. So I'm going to go to 18 3/8 large or heavy. So let's call that 18 and a light half, heavy 3/8. So a number in between there is ideally what you're looking for. So now that I got my numbers easily laid out on the wall, I'm just going to transfer those over to the tile, and then you'll see that pitch of the floor change as I get this drawn out. Here you'll notice the shower floor starting. And then here you'll notice the relief cut levels out, but it's sloped to the drain on the floor.